Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Ring, ding, ding, ding. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Morning guys, happy Sunday! It is the 22nd of December today, Sunday. And look at my hair. Kahapon tayo nagpa-haircut. And hindi ko siya winash kahapon yung buhok ko. Hoping na magsistay yung blowout na ginawa ni ate, but hindi siya nagstay. I knew it was just a one-day thing. But look at that. This reminds me of my hair when I was young. Iba talaga yung buhok ko eh. So, naalala ko nun, may photo kami. Simbang gabi ata nun, or Sunday mass lang yun. Nakasuot kami ng bagong dress. Kasi kapag around December, may mga bagong damit kami niyan. Denim dress siya. And then may ka-partner na hat. Tapos si Miss din, naka-dress din. Tapos may partner din na hat. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng buhok ni Miss. Straight yung buhok niya. Tapos, ano kasi siya, light brown kasi yung buhok niya. So, ang ganda-ganda ng buhok niya. Apaka-straight, apaka-haba. Ako yung buhok ko ganito. Mas mahaba dito, pero nakaganyan. Nakaganyan siya dito. Naalala ko yung picture na yun. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na yung picture na yun. Nakaganon talaga yung buko. Nakaganon. Mag-breakfast lang tayo habang masaya yung mga bata. Nag-breakfast na sila kanina. Dan is still in bed. It's actually late na. 10:18 na ng umaga. Kanina habang kumakain ng breakfast ang mga bata. Nag-edit ako guys. Habang pinapalamig ko konti yung aking kape. Ngayon, malamig na talaga ang aking kape. Apakalamig na. I have croissant. This is from Foodland. Hindi ito yung gusto ko na croissant. Gusto ko yung Coles. Ewan ko. Pero, di. Sabihin ko sana, same lang naman sila. Pero hindi talaga I can tell the difference. Masarap pa din naman. Yun lang nakasanayan ko yung isa. Gusto kong i-pick up yung Santa namin today. So, yung Santa ni Sharon, gustong-gusto ko siya guys. So sabi ko, alam mo, may space ako dyan sa Santa na yan. Before pa ako mag-decorate this year, sabi ko, I will keep it simple this year. Because ang dami kang nangyayari guys this year na ayokong isipin na, hala, ito yung gagawin ko. Kasi baka hindi ko ma-deliver and ma-disappoint lang ako. So sabi ko talaga, inano ko na talaga siya na simple lang tayo this year. Nothing crazy. Kapag nalagay ko yung decoration sa labas, okay. Pero kapag hindi. I'm setting low expectations for this year para hindi ako ma-disappoint. Yung mindset ko, simple lang tayo this year. But, sinabi ko na next year ko siya gagawin na hindi naman bongga. But, mas mag-e-effort ako next year. Yun yung sinabi ko sa mind ko before pa ako nag-decorate ng mga ganyan. So, Christmas tree is very simple. I will put more effort sa Christmas tree next year. And with that being said, I wanted to add more decorations as well. May mga na-order na nga ako for next year in-order ko siya pero hindi ko siya ginamit this year kasi nga sa mindset ko this year simpulan lang tayo. May yung mga in-order ko kahit na dumating na sila on time, hindi ko sila nilagay kasi next year nga yun, for next year yun. So ngayon, nag-order na naman ako ng isa. And this one is a big one. In-order ko to nung Monday night ata, after namin, or Tuesday night. Basta, nagpunta kami kina Sharon Monday, diba? Tapos nakita ko yung Santa niya. Sabi ko, pakita nga ng box nitong Santa na to. Kasi gusto kong mag-decorate, kaya lang, I also want to make sure na I have storage for it kapag hindi na Pasko, diba? Because it's holiday thing. Pinakita niya man sa akin yung box, guys. And sabi ko, ay sus, may space ako niyang box na yan. Bilhin ko yung Santa na yan. Binili ko yung Santa. In-order ko yung Santa mga a day later or 2 days later. Binili ko siya. So ngayon, ipipick up namin yung Santa na ganun kalaki. Kasing height ko for 11 yung Santa. Pero I don't know, it made me happy na, hala, next year, I'm looking forward to it. Tapos, hindi naman pala dito magpapasko. But yeah, I will start decorating early next year siguro para ma-enjoy natin yung mga decoration na pinambibili na natin. Nakakaloka. Nood lang tayo ng vlog ni Miss, guys. Panoorin nyo, guys. Gustong-gusto ko yung holiday vlogs nila. Nagpunta sila ng Thailand at saka Vietnam. And late ako kasi nga, wala akong time manood-nood talaga ng mga vlogs. So sa ngayon, yung pinapanood ko lang or yung sa kanya pinapanood ko talaga. Kasi yung iba, piniplay ko lang to support. Itong kay Miss yung pinapanood ko talaga. And I'm jealous of the holiday. Sabi ko talaga, it's good that you travel kapag wala pa kayong kids. Alam mo yun, nagta-travel naman kami before yung kids. Watching her vlogs, parang naalala ko yung mga times na, hi, nagagawa nyo lahat ng gusto nyo gawin because walang restrictions, you don't have kids. So, sa mga mahilig mag-travel dyan and gusto din mag-kids, do it guys. Do it while you can. Do it. Do a lot of it. Because maiiba talaga yung itinerary nyo. At least, pagdating na, and may bata na kayo, sabihin nyo, that's okay. I've done that anyway. Alam mo yun? Because that's what I feel. But back to her vlogs. It's really good. Watch her vlogs, guys. Rich Zigs on YouTube. Ililive ko siya. Ayoko magsabi, ililive ko yung link kasi baka sobrang mabisi ako at hindi ko na naman malagay ang link. Nakanood ako ng 2 kagabi. So, late ako nakatulog kagabi. Kasi pinanood ko yung 2. Tapos ngayon, I'm on her vlog na in-upload niya kahapon. And I have 1 more. So, 2 vlogs na lang yung hindi ko na napanood. In saying that, I want to say thank you guys kasi alam ko na busy na yung lahat and you guys are still watching. I know na people get busy and ako nga sa akin hindi ako nakakanood ng mga vlogs talaga. Yung mga fina-follow ko noon, hindi ko na talaga sila napapanood because ang dami nang nangyayari. Like, we all grow up, we have kids and just life change. Alam mo yun, pero you're still here. So maraming salamat. As in, I really appreciate your effort. I hope yung vlogs ko is helping you in a way. Like, alam mo yun, sana nakakatulong sa inyo. Kasi, itong mga vlogs na to, it helps. Like, parang naalala ko, ay, ang saya naman ng mga buhay namin noon pala. I don't say it all the time, but I am very grateful sa mga nanonood. Kasi, I know how hard it is now. Like, even me, I cannot keep up with all the channels na I'm subscribed to because I just don't have the time. Yeah, so I'm really appreciative. So, thank you guys. Sobrang salamat. Let's get ready. Kakatapos ko lang mag-sunscreen. Yung gamit ko is yung Voinun na sunstick. Magbablush lang ako. And then lip tint. And then that's it. While nag-clean up yung mga bata sa baba. They made a big mess as usual. So they will clean that up before we go. And then pagbalik namin, galing sa lakad namin, they will make a mess again and then clean up again before we sleep tonight. Walang katapusang cleaning up. Gamit ko yung Cloud Paint from Glossier. Shade Beam. Bigay ito sa akin nila Bebe Bianca. Timing na timing. After nito, palitan ko si Indy. And then, alis na kami. Kasi antok na yun. Yun yung Etude House na Dear Darling tint. Yung shade nito is... I don't know, guys. I don't know the shade. Walang shade. Basta. Joke lang pala. I got that from Yes Style. Razel 10 for 10% off. That's it. And yung inuubos ko ngayon... Ay, ubos na. Very good. Yung Chloe na perfume, ubos na. That's good. We can get rid of... Allah. Sana matanggal yan. Ang bilis makita ng ano nito. Watermarks. Or liquid marks. Ito, buhusin natin ito, be. Kasi mabango naman to. Mabango minsan. Okay lang din. Put the rubbish in the bin. Let's go, guys. Palitan natin si Indie Girl. Sana ni-ready ni Daddy yung bag ng mga bata. Ready, steady, go. Let's go, guys. Yung sandals ko lang is yung Charles & Keith. Yun lang yung susuotin ko. Let's go. Alright. Where are we going, guys? Where are we going? Get Santa. Get Santa. We will get Santa. Get Santa. Get Santa. So, Bunnings means the gardens.
Yeah, because she's in the car or not?
Yeah, down here.
Come on, please. We're off, guys.
I see Christmas
You see Christmas?
at my house. Why they
Is today the 22nd?
Yeah.
didn't decorate your house?
Not everyone decorates their house.
Why?
So, what time? Apple 1 to 1:30.
How do they know you're around?
I think get it ready during that window, 1 to 1:30, and then you just come in there.
Yes, my eyes with my little eye. Hey, Mom. Yes, my eyes by
Okay, let's play.
eye.
Alright, who's gonna do it first? Okay, go, Ate.
We get with S.
S.
Snow.
Ayla, Daddy said snow. Is that right or no? Yes. Okay, whose turn is it?
Daddy.
Daddy's turn.
I spy in my little eyes something that starts with a P.
Sky.
No.
P.
Starts with P. The letter P.
Pterodactyl. Yeah, that's
Pterodactyl.
No, not pterodactyl. No.
Is it pterodactyl? Yes or no?
No.
What is it, Alo?
What's Arlo's favourite word, Arlo? What does he always say?
You always say Chiwa.
What's a naughty word he always says?
What's that? Chiwa.
T-Rex. T-Rex. Good job, Alo. You got it, Alo. Yeah, it's T-Rex.
Not Lego Chiwa.
Okay, your turn, Alo. I spy with my little eye something that starts with letter D. D.
House.
House.
King. No. Car. No.
I said D. Duh. Duh.
Dad starts with D. Daniel starts with D.
Zach. He said Zach.
Honey. I'm blind.
Oh yeah, you got it, guys.
Can I got it?
Yes, you did. Isla's turn.
I got it. With my little eyes. A.
A is apple.
Apple.
Yay!
Banana.
Banana.
Kiwi gets blue. Banana.
Oh, so I parked at the back. They've got a parking at the back. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello. Dito na kami, guys. Apaka-busy. So, dapat, dyan kami magpa-park. Dyan sa drive and collect. Kaya lang, walang free na parking. Kasi, i-collect lang namin eh. Na-order ko na nga kasi, diba? Ayan, oh. Dito kami sa mga Christmas display.
Exercise for you, Arlo.
Konti na lang, guys. Dito yung mga ano, oh. Inflatable Christmas decorations. Ah, that's cute. Santa Sunday. Look at, guys. It's an ice cream truck. Santa's ice cream truck. Oh, good. What is it, Alo? A birdie. Is it a birdie? That's a birdie. Yan, maganda yan, oh. This is nice. Look. Will that fit our door? No, too big. That's Santa. We got Santa, guys. Come on. Popcorn chicken, actually.
I'll just get a regular popcorn chicken. Does yours come with a drink?
I can.
Yeah, you get it in a meal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zinger Crunch burger combo.
Hello, can I go a regular popcorn chicken, please? A Zinger Crunch meal, please.
Zinger Crunch milk?
Yep.
Yeah, is that large or regular?
I'll go large on that one, thanks. Mountain Dew.
Yeah,
That's all, yes.
Thank
Thank you. I'll get a 20 jacks. Cheers.
Thanks.
Oh, sorry. Do you have straws? Straws? Next one. Alright.
Thank you.
Why the next one has yours?
Fucking hell. I don't know, Arlo. They should give you, when they give you the drink, they should give you the straws at the same time, don't you think?
Pagod na kakasagot. Ayla, you're very smart, ate. It's good. Keep asking.
Keep asking questions.
Keep asking questions, my love. We will run out of answers, but that's okay.
Why were you run out of answers?
Princess.
I have a view, see?
You have a bruise? Regular popcorn at the combo.
Cool. Can I grab a couple straws as well, please? Thank you.
Thank you. Popcorn. All right, honey. You gotta share, huh?
Is that like a regular size, is it?
Yeah.
Where we don't do
Wondering what's the
eat.
small size.
Where we
All right,
don't do
here.
eat.
Share. Share with Ate.
Where are we? We don't do eat.
Okay, that's gonna small.
Oh. Come on, hold it. Hold it, Ayla, because Daddy's gonna turn.
I want to have I want to come and please
So
have it.
I'm having my crunch burger.
Mine.
Give Ayla some.
Sharings, carings, guys.
It's okay, Ayla. Daddy's getting you some here. So you can have your own. Dito kami sa playground, guys. So sa Bunnings, nagtingin-tingin lang kami ng mga Christmas stuff. Saglit lang. Tapos, pinick up namin yung aming Santa. And umalis na
What is
agad
it?
kami. Kasi very busy. Oh, ants! Ants! Leave it! Leave it!
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it, Baba.
Ants.
It's,
They bite you.
it's
Alice,
M&M's.
go away. Leave them alone.
And,
Alice, not
nag-take away kami
Alice,
ng
go on the swing,
food.
princess. Mama can push you if you want.
Kinain actually namin sa car na. So, tapos na kami kumain. Nandito kami sa playground para makapaglaro ang kids. While happy si Indy. Tulog lang si Indy eh. You know, I think what's happening is maybe the other group down there missed this one here. That's why they stay there anyway.
Maybe.
Yeah, because it's kind of like a first come, first serve basis, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's still a nice.
Yeah, it's still a
Spot
nice
there.
spot. Yeah.
Bit of a breeze.
Yeah. Yung mga playgrounds kasi dito, guys, meron silang mga like tables, yung iba may barbecue
kids'
pa.
birthday party here.
Yeah.
Kids,
Yeah, for sure. And then they can play. Yeah, so yung iba dito nagpa-party. And may dalawang grupo dito na nagpa-party. Tapos yung isa nandun sa parang walang tables at saka walang parang pabahay. Pabahay. Sabi ko, feeling ko nauna tong mga to. Kaya yung isang grupo nandun na sa baba.
Push me very hard.
Of course.
Very
push
hard.
it?
Ready? Okay, sige.
Easy for you to do that.
Sige.
Alright, Daddy, hold on.
Oh my gosh, Arlo, are you ready for my pushing? I push really hard, Arlo. No, Arlo. Arlo, you are so high. I cannot believe this. Oh no, Ate Ayla is very high too. Guys.
Alice goes really high.
Oh my gosh. You guys are really, really high. I cannot believe this, Arlo.
Alice, I'm going to push you really high so you flip all the way over.
No, don't do that.
But that's too scary.
That's too scary, Daddy. So yun, oh, nandun yung pabahay. Pabahay talaga, parang ewan naman mag-explain.
Small one.
Small one? Okay, small one.
Higher.
Higher? Okay, higher. Higher! Oh, higher, Arlo. Higher! Alo's turn, Ate.
Watch out, watch out.
Hold on tight, Alo. He loves it. Look at him. Alo, is it fun? You alright, baby?
I just saw a shell somewhere.
You saw what? A shell?
We actually think a Santa. A toy Santa.
A what?
A toy Santa. A toy Santa. A toy Santa.
Alright. Who sorry.
What we pop out?
Push down the body and then turn that while pushing down the body. So one hand is pushing down the body and then.
It's so big.
Can you try and lock him down like that? So maybe push down and then also just push down.
Yeah, I have to lock down.
When I store it, so I need to.
Oh yeah, I push down and
So
lock it.
just push him. Okay.
Oh, you have to store it. Hey, he's head.
Don't drop
Oh,
it.
head. Oh, that's cool. Watch out! Don't break his glasses, Daddy.
That's alright.
Oh wow. That's him.
Why Santa Claus is watching Daddy doing this?
It's like that, and then I think this one goes
It's this one. It's
here.
How can I sing? Come on. Giving my mama a card.
Nag-i-edit ako dito, guys. Tapos nandun siya sa office ng daddy niya kasi sila nag-work din. Is daddy down there? Oh. And she made me a card. So, oh, that is so beautiful. What does it say?
It says, love heart show.
Love heart.
Show.
Show. Thank you. I love you.
Why did we take a photo of each other?
Oh.
The dry turn itself on because it's still a bit damp. Did
Okay.
you get the water from the sheets?
Oh shit! No, I didn't.
I think it just turns itself off.
Okay.
That's alright.
Oh, that would have been full. Really full. Yeah. I'm almost done with this.
See?
Do you want me to take a photo of your card?
Yeah. And send it to Nanny.
Oh, send it to Nani. Okay. Is it for you? Or is it for me or for Nani? It's okay. I don't mind. You can give it to Nana.
I need to give it to Nana.
Okay. Ready? Do it like this. I'll take a photo and send it to Nana. Ooh. Nana can see the
Has
sun.
Indy been fed yet? Like,
One, two, huh?
she been fed? Where's it?
Indy?
We were allowed to come to your
Not
house.
recently, no. Do you want a video? Yeah? Oh, sorry. Okay.
Watch out, boy. Oh,
And send it to Nanny.
Send it to Nani. Ready, steady. Oh, hello. Go.
We would love to come to a party.
Oh.
A party. I'll send it to Nanny.
Okay.
Then Nanny.
What did you say?
I said I would love to come to a party. Nanny, that is Nanny seeing it now?
Not yet. I just sent it. Just wait. It's late as well. Maybe Nana's in bed already.
Nana's in bed for sure.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Nana's in bed. It's 10.
It's 10:11.
It's 10.
Is it 10:11?
And you guys are still not in bed. You guys are lucky. You're gonna sleep in? Alright, let me just finish this.